What is going on, guys? Today I have not just one but two brand new keyboards from RK, Royal KLUDGE, of course. Been working with these guys for a while, and they've always keep me up to date with their keyboards, and so these are brand new to the market. So anyway, I told them to send me both colors, and I want to thank them for doing that. They did send me both colors. So anyway, let's take a look at what this thing actually really looked like in real life, right? Let's go. So the first one that we will be opening is the black and red one. Whoop. Instruction booklet, I don't think you guys need that. Yeah! I knew this was gonna be in there. Royal KLUDGE always include a keycap puller and a switch puller right here. Did you know that these are semi-translucent? Look at this. I gotta get my face out of the way. You know, see that? You see how this is semi-translucent? Yeah, it's not like pure black. There's a semi-translucent color that's inside here. So it's like a smoke gray on the cover and then black on the inside, which is pretty cool because you can see that the white lettering is actually showing through pretty well. And by the way, it's not just the black, okay? It's actually the red as well. The red keycaps, it's just beautiful when you're in front of it. Definitely looks better than what's online. So the one thing that I have been seeing a lot is these knobs right here, which I totally love. This one has a little click to it. You can definitely feel that. You can change volume on the fly. I love these right here, especially ones that has a little tactile to it so that you're not just go 100 mile an hour. Obviously, you know there is a screen on here. I've seen these screens before. I believe they use the same software as the other screens. So anyway, we'll plug it in and we'll check it out. You got two kickstands right here. And last but not least, you can see that the dongle's right here. So you can safely store it, put in your bag if you ever need to like run out of the house. There's an on and off switch right here, and obviously the USB-C port right there so that you can plug the wire in. By the way, the USB slot is actually magnetic. So how does this sound? It's not bad, I would say. Oh man, yeah. Right here under the light, this red looks fantastic, by the way. Now that we've seen the black and red one, I want to see the blue one because I have a feeling these blue keys are going to look really good in real life. By the way, if you guys are wondering what model this is, RK S104. By the way, each one of them do come with extra switch, FYI. So the one difference about the blue and white one is that it comes with the white cord so that you can match up, you know, your aesthetic. Obviously, it's very important for a lot of people, right? So I was actually wrong. This white and purple, I guess, is that purple? I call it blue, but it's not really white. It's actually like a cream color on here. And it's not just my lighting either. Yeah, it's kind of like a beige color almost in certain lighting condition. But I was wrong though because it's not translucent. I thought these keys would be like a little bit more translucent, like the way the red and the black is, but it's not. It's actually like pure solid color on this one. Yeah, this is more of like a light purple color right here, and this right here is like a beige. Feature-wise, looks the same. I mean, you got the magnetic USB on and off switch, USB-C right here. Get the nice metal plate on the back here. And one thing to mention about the knob is that it's silver. Still have that tactile feel to it. And how does this sound? The same as the black. Very smooth, very cushioned. How does this keyboard feel compared to some of the other ones? The weight on it is actually pretty nice. It feels very weighted, like this thing is solid right here. So let's take a look here. When I turn it on, you can see the keyboard RGB right here. I have a bright light right here, so it may not look the same as it is when you get it. Let me see if I can turn this light off and this light off. Okay, now can you see the light? RGB. So in the camera, I can see that you see this thing is glowing right here. It is not super bright like the way the camera is showing you, but it is glowing through these keys right here. When I said they're kind of translucent earlier, this is what I'm talking about right here. You can kind of see it coming through, but it's really dampened, you know what I'm saying? So you can still see the keys, what the letters are on the keys and things like that. It's beautiful, ain't it? Yeah, I really like this black and red one. Really like it. All right, so the LCD, what does it show you? It's showing you the time right now. When I turn this, adjust the volume, and I can see it on my computer over there, adjusting the volume. When you press into that, it looks like it's showing you like Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2. So obviously you can select a few different Bluetooth mode. You can adjust all your lighting and things like that on here, by the way. You don't have to like remember which button to press in order to adjust the brightness of the keyboard. Let's say you want to change up the color. It's all on here as well. So you want red, green, blue. I mean, you can literally just control everything locally here instead of remembering what button to press in order to change the effect and the speed of the RGB. That's the reason why I love these little LCD now. And it looks like Royal KLUDGE likes it too, because this is probably like the third keyboards that I've gotten that they've used this right here. All right, so comparing these two keyboards, guys, I know they are literally the same keyboard, but this black and red one, I don't know, there's something about it that just makes me go, wow, with the translucent keys. If you want a more solid white setup, you probably want to go with this white and purple keyboard right here. But if you're into the whole black and red, this right here is the way to go. Anyhow, beautiful keyboard. Once again, these guys did a fantastic job with this.